Welcome friends to 360 Learning Spot. In this video I will show you how to add multiple users in one mobile phone. Sometimes you may have different profile works. You can add 2 or more user accounts in your mobile phone for each purpose, having separate softwares and apps in each account. And if you and your family and kids are using the same mobile phone, you can add a separate account for your kids and your family. And how to do this, I will let you know. Before we continue, I will ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give a like to this video. So open your mobile phone settings, and in the settings scroll down below. Here you will have to find this option system. You will tap on this option and then you will again scroll down, and here you will find multiple users. Because different people have different mobile phones and different mobile phones have different settings, if you are finding difficulty to find this option multiple users, just open the setting and at the top in the search bar write down multiple users. This option will open, and now by default it is turned off. You will have to turn on this option. When you will tap and turn on, this window will open. Here you can see on the top is the owner or admin account, and I have added another account here, and now I will add a new one to demonstrate you that how to add user account and how to set it properly. You will click on this button, plus button, add user, and then you will click on OK. This box will appear. Here you will have to provide user information, write down the name for your new profile, and then you can tap on this icon to add your picture. Here your profile pic, you can select it from your gallery or take from your camera. Then you will click on OK. Here you can see creating new user, and this page will open. First of all, turn on calls and SMS and then click on OK, and then at the top you will tap on this option switch to account, and then you will tap on setup now, and now wait please for a few seconds, and now this page will appear, set new user, and then at the bottom you will click on this option use now, and this page will open. Here are the terms and policies and license. You will agree all to the terms and policies, so check all these boxes, and then at the bottom click on agree to the terms and policies, and then next. This page will open, connect to Wi-Fi, select the network if you are using Wi-Fi, and if you are not using Wi-Fi you can select this last option, use mobile data, and then you will click on continue, and then wait, checking info. This sign in page will appear. Here you can add your email account or phone number and then password, but if you don't have any Gmail account, I will create a new one to demonstrate you. You will click on this option create account. When you will tap on create account, this page will appear, create a Google account. Here you will write down your first name, your surname, and then you will click on next, and here you will have to select your birthday, and then you will write down here username. You can choose any username here. If not available, you can add some more digits along with your username, and the username which is available, you can select that username, and then you will click on next, and then you will select the password for this Gmail account, and then again click on next button. Here you can review your account info, wait, Google services, and now if you don't want to use location, I will turn it off, and then at the bottom click on accept button, and here again nothing to do here. Here you will have to set the screen lock for your new user account in your mobile phone. You can add certain digits here, or you can select the pattern for your new user account. After selecting the pattern, again select it and confirm it, and then this page will open. Nothing to do here. At the bottom you will click on next. Here you can see congratulations, your phone has been set up. You have created your new user account. At the top, if you scroll down, this is the account we just created for our mobile phone, and if you want to switch to your previous account, you can easily switch from here just by tapping on the previous account, owner account, or any other account. So friends, this is how you can easily create and add multiple user accounts in your Android mobile phone, and you can add separate account for your kids and family in your mobile phone. Thank you so much friends. make sure to press on subscribe button to remain in touch with 360 Learning Spot.